Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another beauty event haul for Walgreens. So today is Saturday. Just to let you know, today is the last day for the beauty event. So if you guys have the flyer and you have the digital for spend 25 get 7,000 points, today is the last day. Now I was not planning on going to Walgreens today, but of course my BFF Michelle from My Own Identity got to call me that a subscriber told her about a great deal on the soft soap hand soap. Now, soft soap hand soap does count towards beauty at Walgreens, and they're on a great promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. And we have those 50% off coupons in our 119 Smart Source. And when you buy 4 this week, you get a $4 register reward. So there goes that $4 in register rewards. Now, I wanted to thank Lily Fields, who told her about it. It's one of her subscribers. Hit her up and told her, hey, the soft soap hand soap is on a promotion. Now, we don't know if it's a month-long deal. So make sure you check on her channel or her community tab. By, I say, Monday or Tuesday, she should definitely let us know if that deal is going on next week. But that is a super sweet deal because we do have those 50% off coupons. Now, before I went to the store, this is a store that I usually do not go to, but it's near my house. Now, tell my husband I'll be back. I literally planned this out in 10 minutes. Went to the store, tell him to watch the girls. I'm going to go do this deal real quick. First thing that happens to me, I walk into Walgreens. There's a customer cursing out the cashier. Now, this is a store I usually do not go to. And on Saturdays, I do not go to Walgreens. Never has happened before, but my BFF got me in these streets right now. So I walk in. The cashier's getting cursed out by a customer. Now I'm nervous because number one, I don't like chaos. And number two, I'm using coupons and I'm trying to be great at Walgreens. So now I'm nervous. I pick up my Revlon right here. Pick up 4 of them. I'm doing 2 different transactions using the $5 off coupon. So I get to her. She's red in the face. She's actually crying. And I feel so bad for the cashier that I was just ready to walk out. And I was like, you know what? Let me just do this. Let's see what happens, right? So I only gave myself a couple of minutes to get this done because number one, I had a plan. So I wrote down everything at home as to what I was going to do. I already knew I was going to do 3 different transactions, turning points into register rewards with these Revlons, and then using those register rewards towards the 3rd transaction because I'm trying to use points and get points back, as you guys saw in my last video. So she's red in the face, she's angry, and I just feel bad for her because she's there crying. So I'm like, don't let that ruin your day. You know, just trying to talk her down because I'm about to use some coupons and I really don't want her to take it out on me. So she's like, no, I'm going to do 2 different transactions. I'm using coupons just to let you know. I let her know so she could stop me in my tracks if she was going to, you know, basically tell me I can't use coupons or something like that because her mood was just all over the place. So I did my 2 transactions right here, right? So let's start with the first and the second transaction. I'm starting with 24,741 points. She rings up the first 2 Revlons. They're, again, spend 15, get a $10 register reward. So those 24,000 in points, I'm trying to change them into register rewards so I could do my spend beauty deal. So spend 15, get 10. I picked up 2 of them for $9.99 each. It's going to be the Revlon Photo Ready Concealer, making them $19.98. I used 2 of the $5 off 1 coupons from our 1.5 Smart Source, making the total $9.98, of course, plus tax, and I got back a $10 register reward. So that worked out to be free after the register reward. Now, my total for the first and second transaction was $9.98. I had a tax of $1.40. Total worked out to $11.38. I used 10,000 points for each of the transactions because I had 24,000 points, making the total $1.38. And I only needed like 8 something, as you guys saw in the last video, to hit beauty. I had $9.98 in the first transaction, so I did hit beauty and got back 5,000 points for the first transaction. So I'm going to show you both receipts, first and second transaction, and I'm going to show you guys how much time it actually took me to do these 3 transactions at the store because I literally wanted to be in and out. Okay, guys, so here goes the receipt. So my first transaction, I started at 12:33 p.m. I picked up 2 of the Revlon concealers at $9.99 each. I used 2 of those $5 off coupons. Subtotal $9.98. My tax was $1.40, and I'm taxed actually before coupons. So I get taxed on the $19.98 for the Revlon. So it works out to $11.38. I rolled 10,000 points into this, which is equivalent to $10. I paid $1.38. Here goes the bottom. I hit beauty, 5,000 points, because I needed about 8 something, so 998 counted towards beauty. I started with 24,731. I'm ending with 19,831 because I rolled 10,000 points into this, but I got my bonus points for beauty, which is 5,000. Now, second transaction. So the first one, 1233. Second transaction, I did it right then and there, 1234. So another minute. So I did the Revlon again, $9.99, $9.99. Used two $5 off coupons, $9.98. With the taxes, $11.38. I used 10,000 points to pay for this, which is equivalent to $10. Now let's look at the bottom. Started with 19,831. I'm ending with 9,921 points. So that is perfect for my third transaction because I plan on rolling 5,000 points into that transaction, and I'm getting points. I'm using points and getting points back. So here goes the breakdown for my third transaction in detail as to what I did. So third transaction, I'm starting with 9,921 points. I have the spend 25, get 7,000 beauty flyer, and the spend 25, get 7,000 points beauty at booster. Now, when I went to hand her the flyer, she stops me in my tracks right there, and she tells me you can only buy number 7 with this. I'm like, oh man, of course I'm playing dumb at this point and she's not having a good day. So I'm like, just scan it to see what happens. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It's okay. She's like, I'm going to scan it, but I already know for sure it's not going to work. I'm like, okay, no problem. So usually if there's a problem like that, just hand it over to them. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work at all. And that's it. But I know in the back of my head, I already used it during the week and it's going to work. So I had two $10 register rewards from the first and second transaction. I had a $5 off Revlon Lip Catalina coupon. Now that coupon is not printing out from the Catalina machine anymore. Lucky I had one from my last trip. And I had this, and I plan on spending points and getting points back for this. So let me show you guys how. So the first items is going to be the soft soap, hand soap. Buy one, get one 50% off. When you buy 4 this week, you get a $4 register reward. So I picked up the big bottles right there, and the subscriber did write that it was the big bottles, so I just stuck to the big bottles. I wasn't going to try the little ones, and the 50 cent does not work on the little ones anyway. So there goes the 4 bottles right there. There goes that $4 in register reward for buying 4 of them, and they rang up buy one, get one half off. So 2 of them are going to be $2.99. 2 of them are going to be $1.49. Then we move on to the soft soap body wash. I picked up 4 of them at $3.99 each. And when you buy 2 this week, you get 5,000 points. So I picked up these 4 right here. And I was actually shocked that they actually had the soft soap. But this is a store that doesn't like couponers. So that's why that soft soap was still there. So I was really, really nervous about that. Like, oh my gosh, it's not going to go through. Something's going to happen. But that's always what happens when I go to the store. So picked up 4 of those for $3.99 each. Sorry about that. $3.99 each. And then I picked up the L'Oreal Elvive, these 2 right here. And these are priced 2 for $8, so there goes the L'Oreal. And since we're using the 4 off of 2 coupon, one of these is going to count towards the filler item for my $10 register reward. So as you guys saw in my last video, a coupon has to attach to an item. Those $10 register rewards are manufacturer's coupons. So I picked up the Revlon Sugar Scrub, which is this one right here, for $5.99, and I picked up the scrunchies as a filler item right here. These are on sale for 99 cents. So my total before coupons is going to be $39.91. You always have to subtract the IVC booklet. So there was a $2 off 2 IVC booklet for the L'Oreal Elvive because that doesn't count towards the $25 that we need to spend. So minus the $2 is going to be $37.91. Now, when I go check my receipt in the car, she forgot to ring up one of my 50 cent off coupons. I was not going back in that store to tell her she forgot to ring up one of my coupons. So I just let it be and I let it go. So at that point, I honestly didn't need a filler item because she didn't use that 50 cent off one, but I didn't know, I didn't notice. I just wanted to be in and out of that store. So she only used 3 of the 50 cent off coupons, and the 75 cent and the 50 cent off coupons come from our 119 Smart Source. I used that $5 off Revlon Catalina, And there goes the two $10 register rewards, as well as the 4 for 2 coupon for L'Oreal from our 119 RMN. So remember, guys, the 4 for 2 coupon counts as one coupon attached to one item. So the second one, you can definitely use a register reward, and you wouldn't have to add a filler item. So the total in coupons that I had was $33.50. So I met the $25 mark that I needed. So these coupons are going to count as the $25 that I need in order to get the 7,000 points for the beauty flyer and the 7,000 points for the beauty app. So now that I have $33.50 in manufacturer's coupons, that's including the two $10 register rewards, I'm able to use points and get points back. My total after coupons and after the IBC booklet and after my register rewards is going to be $4.41. And let's go on the right side, because remember, we have to meet the $25 requirement for our manufacturer coupon. So we met that right there, and after our tax. So my total was $39.91. I got taxed $2.37. So basically they taxed the $39.91. They do not tax after coupons. So again, this right here is counting towards a food item. So I didn't get taxed on that. So my tax was $237 for the $39.91 in product that I had before coupons. Now I'm going to minus the IBC booklet coupon because the IBC doesn't count towards the $25. Now, I plan on using 5,000 points. So let's go back to the left side. My total after coupons, after the IBC booklet is $441. Now you have to add that $441 plus the $237. You get $6.78. The $237 is my tax. So I'm planning on rolling 5,000 points into this, making my total $1.78. But before I decide I'm going to use 5,000 points, I have to go back here to the right side to see if I met $25 after the IBC booklet and after the points. Because remember, guys, the points count as Walgreens coupons and the IBC counts as Walgreens coupons. So my total after the $2 and the $5, and I did $31.91 plus the $237, it equals to $32.91. So I met the $25 mark that I needed to spend in order to get my 7,000 points for the beauty flyer and the 7,000 points from the digital beauty event coupon. So $32.91, I met the $25 on both ends. So let's recap that. We have to meet $25 after our IBC and our points, because that's the points I'm planning on using. So if this was not $25, if it was like 24 something, I will not be able to roll 5,000 points. I'll be only able to roll about 4,000 points. So we met the requirement after our Walgreens coupons, which is the IBC booklet, and our points. And if we go back, we met our requirement in coupons, manufacturer coupons, which was $33.50. So on both ends, we went way over the $25 mark that was needed to be spent from the beginning from our coupons, because it's spent $25. So this is basically counting as money, the manufacturer's coupons, towards the $25. Now, let's go back over here. So my total to pay was $1.78. Now, minus the 50 cents that she didn't take off, that would have been my total. But I'm going to eat that one up and make sure I'm aware when they are scanning my coupons. We all make mistakes. So you're going to get back 10,000 points for the soft soap body wash. You're going to get back 7,000 points for the beauty flyer. You're going to get back 7,000 points for the digital coupon that we have for spend 25, get 7,000 points. And you're going to get back a $4 registered reward for the soft soap hand soap deal. So that's a total of $28 in points and register rewards. Now, I started with 24,741 points. I'm ending with 29,241 points. Now, I'm going to show you guys my third receipt and show you guys that this only took me 10 minutes to do. So I told my husband 15 minutes. I'm coming back really quickly. And bam, it started at 12:43, this transaction. So that's 10 minutes there. It took me to do all 3 transactions. So if you have a plan, you have everything written down. Yes, we do encounter cashiers that really hate couponers. They'll stop you in your tracks, but don't let them stop you in your tracks. Just try to come up with another plan. So sometimes it may take time, or sometimes when you have a super plan and you know your store accepts coupons, you should be good to go. So soft soap $2.99, soft soap $1.49. That's the hand soap there, buy one get one half off. There it goes again, $2.99, $1.49. Soft soap body wash, 2 of them for $7.98. Another 2 for $7.98. Scrunchies, 99 cents. Elvive, $8. There goes the $2 in the IBC booklet right there that it took off. Revlon Kiss Balm, $5.99. Now, there goes the spend 25 for the flyers. So it did apply, right? There goes all my manufacturer's coupons that I discussed with you guys. So it makes it $33. Hold on, let me double check what it was before I just throw any number out there. All right, so in manufacturer's coupons, including the $10 in registered rewards, we're at $33.50. Now, as you see here, there goes the $4. There goes the 4.75 off coupons. She only rung up 3 of the 50 cent off coupons. There goes the $5 off for that Revlon Lip Catalina coupon, and the $2, the 2 $10 register rewards. So my total was $4.40 as I predicted, and my tax was $2.37, making it a total of $6.77. I used 5,000 points to pay for this, making it $1.77. And there goes my points. I got back 24,000 points, plus that $4 in register rewards for the soft soap hand soap. So I'm ending with 29,241 points, as well as a $4 register reward for next week. Now, let's see how much I actually spend with tax for everything. So my first and my second transaction was $1.38 each. So that's $2.76. My third transaction was $1.78 or $1.77, making the total $4.54. I got back $28 in points and register rewards. So I got back 24,000 points and that $4 in register rewards, making this whole trip free plus a $23.46 moneymaker. And this trip only took me 10 minutes with all the chaos in the store. Now, if you go to your store and you know that there are some cashiers that really hate couponers and managers, try to build a relationship with your stores or go to another store, because if you know they give you issues there, that means it's not going to take 10 minutes to do that trip. If you have another store that they're coupon friendly and we're not doing anything wrong, it's not like we're trying to beat the system, because we're using the coupons that we are supposed to be using. We're keeping up with all the limits. I know the store that I went to today, everything is a limit of 4 when it comes down to products. So I knew that off the back. So make sure you build a relationship with your cashiers. Make sure you understand what's their rules, because at the end of the day, they make up their own rules at every single Walgreens. And I'm going to let you guys know, I have about 5 to 6 Walgreens in my area, and they all have different rules. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Go get your last minute deals, because remember, it ends today, the 25th. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.